This video guides you how to set up for AWS IoT Core. Access the AWS website and click Sign in to the console. Enter your account ID, username and password, and then click Sign in. After logging into AWS, select your region at the top right of the screen. Enter IoT Core in the search box at the top of the screen, and click IoT Core in the search results. In the menu, click Security, and then Policies, and then click the Create Policy button. In the policy name field, enter a policy name of your choice. For the policy action, select Allow for IoT Connect. For policy resource, enter the wildcard character, asterisk symbol, to allow the resource. Then click the Add New Statement button and add IoT Publish, IoT Receive, and IoT Subscribe in a similar way. Finally, click the Create button. In the Manage, click All Devices and Things, and then click the Create Things button. Select Create Single Thing, and then click Next. Enter a thing name. Make a note of the thing name you entered. You will need it later. Then click Next. In the Device Certificate area, select Auto-Generate a new certificate, and then click Next. Select the policy you created, and then click the Create Thing button. You must download the certificate, public key, and private key now. You will not have another opportunity to download them later. Click Done. In the menu, click Domain Configurations Updated, and make a note of the domain name. The following video shows you how to build the demo project.